Hey guys, it's Squishies Forever with a video for you guys today. Now, this is my first video on this channel, and I have a few squishies to show you. These are my first squishies I have gotten, and so these were both found at my local Michael's, and they are so cool and so squishy. So first squishy is this macaroon squishy. Oh, lighting is terrible. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna move it down just a bit. Maybe there. That's good. It's this pink macaroon squishy. Has just a little keychain. Pink. Ah! No! No. So sorry. I dropped that and it fell so far. That's my first squishy, and it's a macaroon. It's my favorite one. And sorry my hands are blue. I was making something earlier, and I had food coloring, and it got on my hand and stained it. So that's, yeah, and this is my macaroon squishy. Now, the second squishy I got is this waffle squishy. It's so little pretty, and it has a little frosting design. Sorry, sister's running by the door screaming. These aren't slow rising at all. So, yeah, but I like them. They're still pretty squishy. This one is my favorite out of the two. Sorry, it's morning. Lighting is terrible right now because there's clouds in the sky. There's no sun. Oh my gosh, it's just going crazy right now. So yeah, those are my two squishies. And this is the start of my channel. So soon I will have more squishies to show you and be able to make videos on. So hope you like this. Like and subscribe, comment down below, and bye!